Here we are doing work for mechanism of formation of ethanol by means of alkene. We know the reaction that alkene when treated with concentrated H2SO4 and water, then there will be formation of alkene, alcohol. For this purpose, H2SO4 plays an important role. It will give H plus ion. This H plus ion will combine with water and there will be formation of hydronium ion. Now the next step, any alkene you are taking, either propene or any of the alkene you are taking. So here I am taking alkene, propene. It will treated with H3O plus as positive charge here. So here pi electron density of alkene will act as nucleophile. We know that above the plane and below the plane pi electron density with alkene. There will be formation of CH3 CH plus CH3 and water will be drawn. So there will be this carb cation. As we know, there are two options, 1 degree carb cation and 2 degree carb cation. Definitely positively charged 1 degree carb cation will form. Now next step, that in the next step one proton can evolve this carb cation CH3 CH plus and CH3. It will be treated with water. There will be formation of CH3 CH. Now there is the role of lone pair of water. It will attach with here CHOH2. It is known as protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol, Next step, this protonated alcohol now CH3 CHOH2. This protonated alcohol, it will give proton if you are using one more water molecule, then rather than H plus, there will be formation of hydronium ion. So mainly four major steps. One step, that is formation of H plus ion. Second step, this hydronium ion or formation of this hydronium or H plus ion, it will act over this pi electron density. Third step, as it is positively charged, water will play the role, lone pair of electron will participate, there will be formation of protonated alcohol. And if protonated alcohol, deprotonated, and there will be formation of ethanol. Right now in the present 2020 examination, board examination paper, this mechanism was included. Okay, so don't do these mistakes. These two are the major steps. 2 mark mechanism was there in the examination. Now after mechanism, we are doing work for some properties, special properties, chemical properties. ROH, when treated with sodium metal, there will be formation of RONA plus hydrogen gas. This property in general we know very well that any active metal when treated with alcohol, there will be formation of hydrogen gas. It means we are telling that this alcohol is acidic in nature. In the same manner, phenol C6H5OH when treated with ONA, there will be formation of C6H5ONA, sodium phenoxide, and hydrogen gas. In the same manner, suppose NaOH will be there, ROH plus NaOH. There will be formation of RONA, sodium alkoxide, RONA plus water. So these are the few reactions which are giving proof that these are acidic in nature. Though these phenol and alcohol, especially phenol, ROH, will not give test with the litmus paper. The positive test with litmus paper will not be given by alcohol, but phenol will give. Why these are showing acidic nature? ROH, this bond is weaker and it is breaking. OH bond is breaking. Whenever OH bond is breaking, we can say that it is showing acidic property. That's why there will be formation of RO minus and H plus ion. If it is acid, then RO minus is known as conjugated acid. In the same manner, phenol plus H2O, there will be formation of C6H5O minus plus H3O plus. In this manner, it will appear. So here also phenoxide ion is conjugated base of phenol. Okay. So as stable is the phenoxide ion or this alkoxide ion, this acid will depend on the stability of conjugated acids, conjugated base. Conjugated base, इसकी जो भी स्टेबिलिटी होगी उस पर कितना क्या होगा डिपेंड, दैट एसिडिक नेचर फिनॉल या अल्कोहल में कितना है. नाउ so we are comparing these two species. RO minus, there is no possibility of resonating structure, but C6H5O minus, there will be formation of resonating structure. I am showing resonating structure here. In the second